Hi guys, good morning. It's May the 6th. I'm going to give you an air high five for a good morning greeting. I hope you guys are having a great day today. Today I am feeling very happy. I'm happy to be here with you guys for our morning circle time. We are almost done with this school year. I'm sad that we didn't get to go back to school, but I'm happy that you guys are able to do some work and see us on YouTube. Maybe we'll be YouTube stars. Still counting on it. The month is May. So let's say our months together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. The month is May. After May is June. Before May, we had April. Good job, guys. Turn to the person next to you and tell them, when is your birthday? What month is your birthday? My birthday is in February. All right, we said that today is May the 6th. So we're going to look for the number 6. Go ahead and find it for me. All right, you picked the right number. It's number 6. Good job. All right, what year? Oops, I skipped it. What year is it? It is 2020. Good job. All right, we said that today is Wednesday. What letter says W? W. It will help us find Wednesday. What letter says W? W. Excellent work. If today is Wednesday, what will tomorrow be? Thursday. Good job. And if today is Wednesday, what was yesterday? Tuesday. Good job. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. All day long. All day long. Yesterday was Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. All right, let me check my weather app, what the weather is going to be on May the 6th. It says on my weather app that on May the 6th, it is going to be partly cloudy and 63 degrees. So another way to say partly cloudy is partly sunny. That's optimistic. That's a little bit better than partly cloudy. So partly sunny means a little bit of cloud and a little bit of sun. Put that up there. And the temperature is 63 degrees. So for some people that's probably still cool, but I'm going to say that's warm. That's warm. That's when what is our tool called that we use to measure the temperature? You're right, that's called a thermometer. The temperature today is warm. And what is the season that we are in right now? The season is still spring. The next season that we are going to have is summer. And summer is when it gets really hot. That's when it's a lot hotter than it is now. So some of us really like summer, and some of us really don't. All right. So it's supposed to be a little bit warm, but maybe a little bit cooler on May the 6th. So I think today I will wear pants. I'm probably going to wear a little hoodie outside and a t-shirt, and I'm going to wear shoes today because I still have physical therapy to go to. So the clothes I can wear today are shoes, pants, a t-shirt, and a hoodie. And my shoes are blue. I'm going to wear red socks. I'm going to wear my black pants, and I'm going to wear a purple shirt. What color clothes are you wearing today? Turn to someone that's with you and tell them. All right, today is the 154th day of school. So we only have 6 more days of school left. Only 6. Only 6. Go ahead and read this number with me. 154. Good job. 154 days. So today we're going to make the day in change. So we need to make the number 6. 6 cents. So let's talk about our coins. We're going to start from the bottom today. A quarter is worth how much? 25 cents. A dime is worth how much? 10 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. And a penny is worth 1 cent. So we're going to make 6 cents. And we're going to do it with pennies. So let's count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We made 6 cents for May the 6th. The last thing we need to do is we need to make $1.54 to celebrate the 154th day of school. So we know that how many quarters make $1? You're right, 4 quarters make $1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters make $1. And then we're going to count by 5s today to make 50 cents. So let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Uh-oh, we ran out. I didn't know that was possible. So we've got 30 cents. So now let's see if we can count up to 50 with 10s. We've got 30, 40, 50. We did it. We've got 50 cents. Now we need 4 more cents. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's count it all up together. 25, 50, 75, $1. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. $1.54 to celebrate 154 days in school. I hope that you guys have a great May the 6th, and I will talk to you soon.